Check out this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. In addition, GM Certified comes with a 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty and a vehicle history report on this vehicle. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: passenger airbag, stability control, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.